I don't know if it's still recording. I hope it is. Yeah, it is. See my bird in the background and it's my school bird cage. Bird is actually my class pet. And you probably can't hear me because of this sticky tape. Where can I set this up? But it will. There we go. That is actually the worst sound on camera. I don't think I'll accurately convey my excitement at this product. There it is. The brother scan and cut. I can scan and cut things, and it'll cut through laminates and it'll cut through vinyl and so many other things, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited that I'm choking on my words. Alright. I'm such a nerd. I am definitely such a nerd. Oh, I don't like that there's no sticky tape to keep it closed. Alright, what have I got here? Oh. I'm not excited about that. I don't know if you could see that on camera when I first pulled it out of the box, but yeah, it looks like it's already been used. I mean, the second mat looks fine. The second mat's even in this cover, but the first one, it's all dusty and next to no stick, and it's got paper stuck to it. That's not pleasing. This kind of seems to be something that might have been returned. See, even that has been cut open already. I literally just received this from Australia Post. Usually when you get, I'm not pleased with this. I am definitely not pleased with this. What is in here? Oh, that's the little scoop to get it off the page. Not quite sure what that is. I'm not impressed. I can say that much. I'm definitely not impressed, Lincraft. I mean, usually when you get something new and you get the cord is like wrapped up, and I mean, you can see that this was at one point wrapped up. I mean, this was not sold to me as a refurbished product. Oh, where can I put this? That it will. I'm just hoping I don't get this out. It has scratches all over it. I don't know, getting the cord there, but. Electrical product, and it doesn't have like the screen. That screen, usually on other products, you'd have like a little plastic thing that you peel off when it's new. That's not sitting up. I am so far very unimpressed. It's definitely not sitting up there properly. Okay, I have to look at that later to see what's going on. Okay, it already has that in it, and it's already set to 12, so the deepest. Yeah, I am very, very unimpressed. I mean, there's all fluff and stuff inside of this. There's 2 scratches right there. It sucks because I was really, really looking forward to this, and I'm so underwhelmed at the moment. I don't even know where to start. And isn't it meant to have the texture part as well? Or am I just imagining that? I mean, this thing doesn't, you can see I'm lost for words. Like, I thought this was going to be an amazing, awesome unboxing. Let's read through what I've got here. This is definitely a refurbished product that's come back to me. Yeah, I'm going to go ring craft and we'll see how we go. I'm back and I'm not too excited, excuse the knife. I just spoke to Lincraft. I'm trying to get to what I believe is the power button. That potentially is not, because is that the same connector? No, look at those scratches on the top there. They told me, oh, there's the power there. They told me that this is an X display. It's a discontinued product, which it doesn't say on the website. Discontinued product that is an X display model. And as an X display model, all that they can do is offer me either a full refund or a 30% refund, and I can keep the product. I went for the 30% because I really want the product and I'm hoping it works even with the issues. I mean, I can buy myself another, I've got another scan mat there and I can buy myself another one of those. But this product itself is supposed to be fairly good. And if it doesn't work, well, then I guess I'll send it back. But it's just a little bit frustrating that it didn't say anything on the website about it being a refurbished or returned or demonstrated model product. So at the moment, we'll just see how we go. So I'm going to set this here. I'm trying to capture now instead of capturing my excitement. Oh, that is so annoying that thing is mixing up. Instead of capturing my excitement now, I'm more trying to capture whether this does or doesn't work. So yeah. So it's scanning. It's loud. All right. Working super fast, way quicker than I got it. And I think I have to send it through twice for it to work. He's just etched it. Let's see. Let's see. Alright. Well, it has definitely made the cuts. I've got a cloud shape around the outside. I don't want to scratch on that, so I can do this. Alright, I mean, I don't know, can you see that? Like it did go a little bit wavy at the top, but I guess that's just because it's the picture. But I did cut it, so I'm pretty happy about that. Pretty happy. Alright, dodgy mat, dodgy, oh it's not dodgy printer I guess. I mean that's annoying that I have to sit something up there like that. But you know what? My mood is turning around.